Good morning, and we're reporting live from the Tar Heel State here in North Carolina. Headed today towards Cataloochee Ski Area located in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Today we're working with 740 feet of vertical. It's got about 18 total trails here today. I believe about 10 are open. First time ever skiing here in the Tar Heel State. I have no idea what to expect. This is our 5th state of this journey. I'm getting a little tired, as you can tell, but we're gonna keep this rolling for you guys. I know that there's more popular resorts here like Beach Mountain and Sugar Mountain. We may be getting to those. Only time will tell there. So looking forward to getting on the hill today, getting some turns in, and let's get ripping. All right, y'all. I do not have 4-wheel drive, and many of you are probably asking, how's this guy running a ski YouTube channel without 4-wheel drive? Well, folks, we're in the mid-Atlantic, but look at this view.
Believe me, one more. Believe me, believe it. Believe me, one more. Believe me.
Good? Well, we're all wrapped up here at Cataloochee Ski Area in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. What a day it was out there. Enjoyed my time. Giving it a shred score of a 3.1. It seems like there's less trails at the North Carolina resorts. You wouldn't think about traveling down south for skiing, right? But the elevation we're at is actually like 5,400 feet at the summit. So it's actually really high up. It's even higher than Snowshoe and Timberline, but the vertical drop is lower. So it's not able to take advantage of that high elevation. I enjoyed my time out here overall in North Carolina. The hospitality, the people, the folks are friendly here. Had a great time in general here. The views are awesome. Spectacular, to be honest with you. I didn't even see him rolling in here in the morning. It was so early, but was able to get a parking spot up front. I would recommend, if you're going to come, if you do end up coming to Cataloochee, get here early because you can get spots right next to the lodge. And then once that lot fills up, you're walking or getting shuttled in. So definitely get here early. Looking forward to getting out to my next hill, and I'll see y'all next time.